Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The key to a great smoothie is using great ingredients. Having frozen fruit on hand makes it so easy to whip up a smoothie anytime. You can use fresh fruit, but frozen fruit gives your smoothie that nice icy thick texture.
Let's help you make your mark.
With water, your smoothie will be less creamy and the flavor of your individual ingredients will be more evident. This could be a good or bad thing depending on if you've blended a greener or fruitier smoothie. Almond milk is definitely a crowd pleaser. It has the same consistency of milk and half the calories.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The most nutritious smoothies are made with whole foods like fruits, vegetables, yogurt, and healthy fats, while those with lots of added sugars aren't as nutrient-dense and may contribute to negative health effects over time. Smoothies high in protein and fiber may even aid weight loss by keeping you full.
Take our lead.
I personally have a blender meant just for smoothies, but it's not necessary. Any blending machine will work. Toss your blend of frozen fruit, juice, and Greek yogurt into the blender and mix until smooth. I chose to use blueberries, cherries, raspberries, and mango for a tart, yet sweet, blend of fruits.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.